All right, welcome back. Another day, another video. For those who know, probably most don't, I just finished my interview like an hour ago for a company. I think it went really well. I'm gonna hope I get an offer, whenever they decide they got the time to fit me into their busy ass schedule. But yeah, it was my first ever coding interview, and I think it went really well. I'm happy with my performance. I don't think I could have prepared any better. I don't think I could have done, like, realistically speaking, like, that was my best work. I think I just put forward. And I guess we're just going to have to wait. But for now, we're going to continue the series. So, God bless. And I woke up today, and I actually had a phone screen for a different company. So, wow. So I'll have to do that soon. But for now, we just got to make the Pokemon sound of the day. And that Pokemon today is Arcanine. Let's take a listen, shall we? I just have to roar or what? Ah! I just like lose so much like aura every time I do that. So I'm not gonna lie, after the interview was done, I kind of want to... What the hell is this? I want to restart this list, but I want to do these problems with C++. God, I'm so hungry. Because obviously I've been learning C++, but I think I'm just really struggling with the syntax recently. So I'm gonna do my project in C++ and I'm gonna do the leak code in C++ from now on. I'm gonna revisit a lot of these problems, and my goal is I don't know if I want to finish the entire 150 list, because I want to maybe get into some like competitive programming a little bit, but I haven't really decided yet. So we'll kind of see how this turns out. I might just do leak code until winter break, and then on winter break I'll start competitive program. I don't even know when my winter break is. I think it's like I have no idea. It's like the week. I think I end like my last final, I think, is on the 18th of December. So that gives me about a little like under a month, a little bit under a month to kind of do this one. So, whoops. Let's just get into it. So like, I mean, I already know like these problems are easy as shit. Like I just know how to do them. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing this a lot. Set of ints, hashy, like that. For, I think it's int nums. It's like that. Yeah. Let's just do std count num and \n. Bro. Oh. As you can see, guys, I'm really bad at C++. Bro, oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is not second nature. 1, 2, okay. How do you check if it's in there? And here are the functions. Begin, end, R begin, R end. The hell? Find. Okay, check if element is in set C++. How to check if a set contains an element? If S, what is S dot end? I can just do this. S dot contains. Why would I do anything else? It's not S, it's hashy. Dot contains num. Return true. Hashy dot. Is it insert? Yeah. D, damn, bro. Okay. How? What? Is it because the for loop I used? How is, okay, this is cap, bro. It's telling me the sort. Yeah, okay. It's using a reference. Okay. Dude, I'm so hungry. Holy frick. All right, let's go next one. Valid anagram. Fuck. Okay, so this, we're gonna need a dictionary for this one. Pretty simple problem. How to make map int string. Okay. I like Loki already forgot how to make a set. std set. This is just map. This is using the namespace. If I just did this, would it know what I'm saying? It does know what I'm saying. That's interesting. And mine would be mine would be a string and an int. I gotta. Okay. Given two strings, S and T, return T. Okay. For, how do you iterate over a string in C++? Oh, you just do S. This is, I think, the way I'd want to do it. For auto, we'll do reference CS. If, no, I'm going to do like this. If it's just like this, that's it. Call this hashy. If hashy dot contains C, then hashy at spot C plus equals 1. Else, make this a function. Dude, I'm so bad at this syntax. I'm just like realizing I just don't know how to make anything. Oh no, yeah, I do. It's void compute. Do a string. And now we just want this right here. I really don't. I'm going back to this style. Get rid of all of this right here. I'm like blanking right now for some reason. Hold on, just chill 1 sec.